Good morning, friends. Welcome to Totally Dazzled. I'm Jennifer with Home Sweet Create. Hello, everybody. So today, this could be a great gift idea, hostess, gift, something like that. You could obviously do it in whatever color scheme you want to do it. So this was kind of a last minute idea for the paper because I pulled out just a piece of muslin. Because when you're doing the iron on, y'all, it definitely goes down. It's recommended for fabric. You can get it onto other surfaces, but usually you have a little bit of difficulty. So I wanted to use fabric, but I didn't want it just to be plain, just a plain background, because we're going to be attaching it to a surface. Ooh, balancing act here. This is a surface from the wood pile section. So instead of trying to iron directly onto this hard surface, I figured we would do it on the fabric and we'll just attach the fabric down. So that's why I grabbed this. This is from my TH Decor site. It's by AB Studio. It's gorgeous. Love it, love it. Let's get, first things first, we're gonna get this. We'll just set this to the side. We don't need this quite yet. So I'm just going to use my water pen. It is not going to go all the way, completely cover the fabric, but that's okay. It just gives it a, just a little something extra. Okay, so it's almost like the fabric will frame it out per se. I don't want my glue. This is a little iron mat, very cool, but I don't want my decoupage medium to get on that. So let me go ahead and roll that back because we're going to decoupage this down. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in right over this fabric. Obviously, fabric is porous, like that decoupage medium likes to soak up in those fibers, but we'll be okay. I'll probably throw the iron over the top of this before we even add the stencil. You just don't want spots that have nothing there, because obviously your paper will lift. I'm actually going to use our Teflon sheet here. So we have our fabric on. Let's see, I looked through several stones, and y'all, I think these are a little underrated. I think they will be absolutely gorgeous because there are hints of gold in our ribbon that we're using. But these are the yellow shimmer. Good morning, Miss Debbie. The yellow shimmer in the SS10, but they are so beautiful. And so that's what we're gonna go with today on that. Hi, Diane. So your Rhinestone stencil packs come with your stencils, your transfer sheet, and of course your Teflon sheet. And we've used the Merry Christmas one time before. We're going to use it again. And we're going to just set that down like so. You definitely have to use the SS10. So we're just gonna pour them on there. Just pour them on. Then you're gonna take your little magic brush and you're just going to I'm going to attempt something here without pulling this whole thing off. to avoid this sticking to my glass. Y'all, I'm gonna have to, I think I'm gonna cut this, is what I'm gonna do. We're going to grab, gently, don't go yanking it off like a Band-Aid. I've never tried this before, so we're doing this together. I really hope this shows up well, but you could go with a bolder color. Okay, so you lay your transfer paper on your surface, and then we're going to go in and we're going to hold the iron down. Just pulling that back gently. I know it's hard to see in this camera, but it really is beautiful. There's yellow shimmer stones. Merry Christmas. Okay, so here we go again. We are going to add, whoops, our decoupage medium down. All the way to those edges. And we definitely want to make sure that it's completely all the way to the edges. Otherwise your fabric's going to be lifting. Okay, now when I hold it up closer, y'all can see the Merry Christmas. Oh, I think that's so cute. So now I picked up this gorgeous ribbon at Walmart. This is by, it's called My Texas House, and her line is absolutely beautiful. But look at this. It's just that very, very soft pink with that gold. So we're gonna be using that. Do we want to do like some clusters here? And I can make them smaller. They don't have to be that big. So we're going to trim it back. Instead of clipping off those pretty tips, just come from the bottom, okay? I think we have a little bit of a plan here. And I'm just going to go in with some hot glue. Okay. And we'll play with these. I just think it's so pretty. Okay, I haven't trimmed the bow or anything, but that is how it's looking so far. Super cute. I haven't decided, but you could even come in, well, we could even maybe, I really like the gold bell in the center. Ah! Look at the gold bell, how cute. It's very simple, but I think it's very pretty. Okay, so there is, and our Merry Christmas. I may add, like I said, I may come in and add just a really thin line of some gold bling or something, just to kind of give it a little bit of extra something. Thank you so much for being here. Love y'all. Bye-bye.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.